Okay, so this morning we went to go pick up our laundry that we have given to the hotel to wash. And life without clean clothes is really hard, guys. So we're gonna leave Hotel Thamel Park in about a few hours, and then we are gonna go check in to another one, specifically Ramada Encore, which is about like a 2-minute walk away from this one. I don't know if they'll let us check in early, but we're gonna go ask. If not, we're just gonna drop off our bag and then we're gonna go get Thai food. But then laundry here was really cheap. We washed about 5 bags for a total of like 1,800 Nepali rupees, which is equivalent to almost
15 bucks?
Yeah, like $15. That's really cheap. But yeah, we're just gonna clean everything and pack it all up, and then we are gonna leave. Migrating to our new place, Ramada Encore. So we've checked into Wyndham. We're gonna grab some pastry. We're waiting to check in at Ramada Encore, and we decided to get some dessert at the little pastry shop. This costed only 400 Nepali rupees. It's like a few dollars. The red velvet. I realized we have not had like cake for these past like 10 days.
Snickers. Oh, that's good.
Right, so we are gonna go check in to our room at Ramada Encore. Surprisingly, they actually let us check in early because right now it's only 11:43. But I assume it's probably because they're not really busy. So we're gonna go to room 208. So
The bathroom's a lot nicer.
this is our room 208 at Ramada Encore. It's really nice. It even has a balcony. Wow. Okay.
Our first full-size mirror. That's nice.
Got, ooh, they got a lot of storage. And standard bathroom and shower. And the toilets.
This is unusual.
Second day we came back for more Thai street
Round
food. I did iced peach tea. You did the iced strawberry, and then I also did the what was this, like matcha?
Thai green tea?
Thai iced green tea, something like that. And then we ordered a whole bunch of foods. So their serving size are so little. That's why we had to like order each like 2. Same with the food too. Back for around 2 at the Thai restaurants. Of course, we had to do another of the papaya salad. But this time we did just medium spicy because we're gonna be walking all day, so we don't wanna have bathroom problems. All our food came in. Let me show you guys what we got. We're feasting. All of this is for 2 people. So we got the crispy pork. I got a pork rice noodle papaya, pad thai for Tina, and then that's just like a side soup that goes with the pork, and then a little sweet sauce for the pork too. Looks delicious. Very interesting flavor on the broth. I was expecting like savory sour, but it tastes a little bit like sourness to it, but it's actually pretty good too. Ooh, we killed it. Everything was just delicious. Especially, I think my favorite had to be the crispy pork with rice. All that food that we ate costed only 2,800 Nepali rupees, which is like 21 USD. Crazy cheap. So we're doing some shopping in Kathmandu. Just want to get some extra apparels for next year. You guys, They're like so cheap. It just runs about for like $20 to $25. And they're really good materials, honestly. We're gonna load up on some right now for next year. I got a pants and also a jacket too. You could literally just come here empty-handed, not pack anything with you, and buy all like your trekking gears and clothes and trekking sticks, literally everything. I'm like going crazy on these like jackets. I bought like 3 already. They're just so like affordable, really good quality. Yeah, this girl did like what, 3 shirts?
I did 2 shirts and 1
She bought 2 shirts and 1 pants. I already bought 2 jackets and 1 pants. Decided to come to the Rooftop Restaurant and just gonna have a bottle of wine with some pasta. Cheers, Tina. Cheers to life. Don't see. This girl didn't want to do a shot of liquor with 1 cocktail. Instead, she wanted to do a whole bottle of wine. I don't know where her reasoning was.
That's my reason.
So we got a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon. It's been about like 10 days that we haven't like had any alcohol. So it tastes really good. For early dinner, I got a mee goreng, which is like, I think like a fried noodle. And then Tina got a pasta. Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna enjoy our dinner. We killed like the food. That was good. Vibes are good. I think Kathmandu is like slowly warming up on me. So we've been walking for like the past 2 hours in the city, trying to look for a suitcase, but we couldn't find any. So we decided to check out the KFC here in Civic Mall in Kathmandu City. So it's actually a pretty interesting setup. This is their menu. It's pretty similar to like what's in the US. Yeah. And they got pizza at KFC, you guys. They even got alcoholic drinks too. But then it's so hot, we decided to just like get a juice and just some soda. You can even do hookah and you can do cigarette here at KFC. Wow. Man, the price here at KFC, it's crazy cheap compared to the US. So Tina got this crispy burger box. Comes with a burger, fries, a drink, and also 1-piece chicken. 700 rupees of their money, which is like less than like $8. It's crazy. This is like easily 10 to 15 USD. So we got our food. Looks good. We're gonna try out the burger. The crispy chicken burger. That's Tina's combo. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Cute restaurant. So we've been craving for some like Japanese food, and we're checking out this restaurant, and they gave us like a hot towel to wipe our hands. They got sushi. Wow. So everything here on the menu looks really good. We're gonna probably do a sushi platter, and then Tina's gonna get some udon noodles, and I'm also gonna try their ramen. And I think I'm gonna get a cocktail too. This is a really tough decision. I don't know which flavor to go with. I think I'm gonna opt for the chashu. So when we arrived, they gave us like a cup of tea. It smells like coffee to me, but you said it's rice,
like a rice
tea.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me try it out. Honestly, it just tastes like coffee to me. But I know it's not coffee for sure. It's definitely tea. So for the food, we decided to order a sushi platter. I ordered the chashu ramen, and then Tina ordered udon. I ordered a mojito. Tina ordered peach tea.
Cheers.
Oh girl. These drinks good. This mint mojito is, oh, it's so good. I love how citrusy like they make it instead of just like overpowering it with like the alcohol. Okay, so our sushi platter came. It looks very delicious. So everything came. That is my chashu ramen, sushi, and Tina's udon. Looks delicious.
What happened to my camera?
Dude, we got all our food,
This is really
the
delicious.
broth. Oh yeah. It's like so light and just very hearty. I'm gonna try the ramen. Aftermath killed everything. It was delicious.